A very good evening to all you animal lovers. Okay, I don't know how to say this, but I don't know how you're even going to take this, but I don't even think I'm worthy of this award. Because while I sat there, while I'm a huge supporter of PETA, I still feel I have a really long way to go. And I never am at a loss of words when I'm at events. I have a lot of gratitude in my heart for this appreciation. But I have to be honest. I'm only human and I err. I'm a non-vegetarian. That's how we've been brought up. But sitting here and watching those videos just made my skin crawl. I actually choose even the food that I eat very responsibly, not just because I'm someone who believes in PETA or works pro them in whatever little way that I can. I eat responsibly, and I'm worried about the non-vegetarian food that I'm eating because of all the adulteration and the steroids and the stuff that's going into my family. So even that, I mean, is with a lot of thinking. But today, sitting and watching these videos just made my skin crawl. And I'm like, oh my God, if I'm sitting here and I'm going to accept this award, with what face can I take it? So, while I do believe I am kind at heart and I do love animals, and I, as a mother, very responsibly have kind of tried to inculcate in my child that it is very important to have compassion for animals, to treat animals ethically. That I feel is really important when you are bringing up a human being. So I support PETA wholeheartedly in all their endeavors. I'm not as great as you guys. I really am not a hero. I'm just human, and I'm going to try my best to do whatever I can in this lifetime to do the better good for all beings, not just human beings. So I'm going to try and strive to do that. I really can't accept this award, but I'd like to dedicate and give this award to my younger sister, who I think is a much bigger hero than I am. Sorry, I'm getting really emotional because so my younger sister Shamita, all her lives, she brought home animals that were lying on the road. She's brought home stocks, kittens, dogs. She nearly got thrown out of the house by my late father once. And we once stole 3 kittens and we kept them in our loft, I remember. Till one day my father heard them mewing in the middle of the night and he caught us. So my father didn't really like animals that much, but let me tell you, God bless his soul, when he stood there at the door and he said, you choose between these cats and me, my mom, my sister and I stood there and we were like, the cats. we allowed those kittens in our home. And the day we lost our first pet, Shonali, I remember he cried the most. May his soul rest in peace. And I really believe we've turned out the people that we have become because our parents taught us to love animals. And that's what I intend on doing with my child. And I honestly thought I was going to say something completely different when I came here. And my friend Sachin must be wanting to kill me at this point. But I had no idea I was going to feel these feelings. It evoked a whole lot of responsibility. But I just want to say that, you know, we were born human and we were born to be real. And I'd rather be real and be honest than, you know, to just accept something and not be able to live up to it. So I hope that I can live up to this promise that I make in the future, that I will be far more responsible. I will try to educate my child. I won't promise about being vegan. I can't. I'd be lying. But I will definitely try to be far more responsible. And I really hope that I can be a catalyst in making people understand that it is so important to have far more compassion towards animals. And that will make this world a far more interesting place to live. So thank you so much. While this will be on my sister's bedside, and I think she'll accept it wholeheartedly. By the way, I have a long way to go, and our pet is called Queenie. Shamita has christened her Queenie, and yes, we will be adopting far many more pets, let me assure you, because my son, he's got those genes, and he wanted to adopt a goat day before yesterday. Yes, day before yesterday, as recent as that. And he did want to keep a cow in our backyard. But I explained to him that we can't do stuff like that. But thank you so much. I have to say that also, with my sister, I have to say that you guys are truly heroes. What you do is unconditional, sorry, I'm losing, losing my sense of vocabulary. What you all do is unconditional, selfless, and noteworthy, hero-worthy. You guys are truly heroes for me. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. I know you all don't look for applause or people to applaud you, but I hope I can be somewhere close to you guys. You guys have garnered such great karma. I'm still far out. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shilpa. That was very...
You know, it is difficult to watch. It is absolutely difficult to watch.
Sachin, give it to Sachin. Put her name on it. What do you want me to do?
One second. पहले roll बंद कर. Ready?
So congratulations, man. Finally, they have awarded a Hero Award from PETA. So what would you like to tell?
जितना पीटा के एक्टिविस्ट करते हैं और जो पीटा के साथ जुड़े हैं वो लोग करते हैं, उसके कंपैरिजन में तो मैं बिल्कुल ही अपने आप को हीरो मानती नहीं हूँ. और मुझे लगता है बहुत कुछ सीखना है, मुझे बहुत कुछ करने को रह गया है. इसलिए आज मैंने इस अवार्ड को मेरे बहन के नाम डेडिकेट किया है. बिकॉज आई रियली फील लाइक sitting in this room, I felt very unworthy of this award today. But मैं definitely believe करती हूँ कि animals को ethically treat करना चाहिए. और ये सबसे पहली चीज़ आपको अपने बच्चों को सिखाना चाहिए. Because if they understand compassion, they will become far more responsible human beings. तो ये बहुत ही important सीख है.
Also, you get emotional while.
Yeah, man, I was very emotional today. I don't know why. मैंने बिल्कुल सोचा नहीं था कि मैं ये बोलूँगी या ये फील करूँगी, लेकिन यहाँ पे आके बैठ के मैंने जो वीडियोस देखे, it really was blood curdling. It was, it made me just realize a few things and I feel इंसान से ही तो गलती होती है, तो शायद मुझसे भी काफ़ी सारी गलतियाँ हुई हैं या शायद अनजाने में हुई हो, बट उसका रियलाइजेशन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट लाइफ टीचेस यू एंड या
आपके घर पे कितने पेट है उसका?
अरे बहुत है मेरे घर पे पेट्स. I'm a huge animal lover. Our entire family is Vian included. तो हमारे घर पे बीगल है. We've got fish. We've got 2 cats. And yeah.
Also, last question. So, Virat and Anushka getting married. So, do you like to?
क्या कनेक्शन इसका पीटा के साथ?
अलग अलग मत लीजिएगा, एक साथ I'll start off with that. Yes, 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 picture. Can we? Hi. हो गया, डन भाई, हो गया.
Yes, right now we're going to vegan buns. We launched it in about 2.5 years ago. We do sweet taste soya, right? But the thing is, there's a lot of preservatives. We just have no preservatives.
Very high in fat, very high in protein, low in fat, you'll love it. We'll send you chef
And you
out of Pune. So we manufacture them in the we launched about 2.5 months ago.
Peter's come first.
All right, it was an honor to meet you. Thank you for your time.
See you. Welcome in
Chalo.